Hi guys, welcome to Biology Hub. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to give a quick review to the topic disease control, as there are three types or the three subtopics of this main topic. So today we are going to discuss the first topic, which are the preventive measures. We are going to learn what is disease control, what are the different ways in which we can control the disease, and what are the different ways in which we can control the disease. Our subtopic is preventive measures, so let us first check what is disease control. It is actually reducing the transmission of the disease agent to such a low level that it cannot be a problem to the people's health. We can have so many diseases. We have heart diseases, we have lung diseases, we have liver diseases, stomach, GIT tract hole, we have tooth diseases. We have to take such measures that these diseases do not become a public health problem. Nowadays, we have a public health problem, and that is COVID-19, and it is actually a lung disease. We are taking certain measures to control that disease. Let us now talk what are the measures we are taking to control different diseases. First of all, first thing that we do in disease control is we give preventive measures. We do adopt to the preventive measures. We talked about the coronavirus, so there are certain preventive measures which we are told about in the advertisement, in certain with the help of public health representative, and what they are saying to us, they are saying that please wash your hands often. When you are coughing, cough in your elbow. Do not touch your face, avoid it, and keep your distance. And stay home if you can. Don't go out. Next is we can control the disease with the help of vaccination or immunization. We give vaccinations or immunization before the disease starts or to prevent the disease from occurring. We know certain diseases that which can occur in our lifetime, and we give vaccination against those diseases in the EPI program, which is that we are giving the doses to prevent the diseases from occurring in the children. Next is the drug treatment or gene therapy. Drug treatment or gene therapy, in this we give certain drugs to the patient so that we can stop the disease from progressing, or we can prevent. We give certain drugs which are given as prophylaxis, prophylaxis means that before the disease has started, we give just certain gene therapies, which are we are giving certain radiations, or we are giving chemotherapy. Now, the main topic that we are going to discuss is preventive measures. What is prevention? It is actually the active process of creating conditions. We are creating certain conditions so that we can promote the well-being of people. How can we prevent a disease from occurring? So we should know about two things: that what is the causative agent of the disease, what is the thing that is causing the disease, and what next we should know is that what is the mode of transmission, how the disease is spreading. We should know that from where the disease is starting, or what are the things that are causing the disease and how it is spreading. We should know the mode of transmission of the disease. We have three levels of prevention. Primary prevention, which is the most important type of prevention, and people are working more on primary prevention as compared to secondary and tertiary prevention. The second is the secondary prevention, and third is the tertiary prevention. What is primary prevention? Primary prevention is like the disease has not occurred, but we know that there is a disease and it can spread and it is deadly. So we start taking measures so that we do not contact the disease. This is primary prevention. Like for COVID-19, we are telling the people to wash their hands. We are telling the people to keep the social distancing. We are telling the people to stay home, stay safe. Why? Because this is the primary prevention. We are telling them that please stay home, please take these measures so that you don't contact the disease. Next is secondary prevention. Secondary prevention is that the disease has occurred, and now how we are going to prevent is we are going to prevent it by doing the screening and diagnostic testings. Now we are going to do mass screening of the people, and we are going to pick the people who are diseased, and we are going to start their treatment. This is secondary prevention. We are doing this so that disease does not spread to the other people. Next is the tertiary prevention. Tertiary prevention is that a disease is present in a person now, and we give optimum treatment to that person so that the disease does not progress, it does not worsen. It moves towards passive side. It is being cured. Now let us take some example. First we take the example of AIDS. AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Its causative agent is HIV. That is, it is a virus that is a human immunodeficiency virus. It is transmitted through sexual contact, through blood transfusion, and by using contaminated syringes or instruments. Prevention is we have to prevent all the modes through which it is transmitting. So doctors are advised here that they should be very careful when they are transfusing the blood, and they should be very careful when they are using the syringes or instrument. Those should not be contaminated. The instruments should be pure, they should be sterilized. Next is hepatitis. It is caused by H virus. It is transmitted through blood transfusions and contaminated syringes and instruments, and it is prevented by asking the doctors to be careful when they are transfusing blood, and when they are using their instruments, and when they are using the syringes. Hepatitis, it is a disease of liver, and AIDS, it is a disease which decreases our immune system, and we are prone to infections. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. We will meet next time. Goodbye.